Dear students, in this video I would like to give you few examples so that you can easily write your assignment. See, here I am placing the operator priorities and I am taking one example. In this example I am having division and asterisk. So obviously whenever you are taking, see, simply I am talking about the operators. So whenever you are taking the operators one by one, initially in the stack we will be placing the opening bracket, and at the end of the expression you will be placing the closing bracket. So A will be added to the postfix expression. Okay. Next, slash is there. In the stack we are having the opening bracket. If there is only opening bracket, then simply whatever the operator comes, you just place it in the stack. And after that we are having B. B is added to the postfix expression. After that we are having the asterisk symbol. So when you are going to take this asterisk symbol to this stack, there is already one operator apart from the opening bracket. There is one more operator, which is division. Now you have to compare the precedence of this one and this one. Precedence is nothing but the priority. So priority of the incoming operator and the top of the stack both are having the same priority. When this is the case, then first you write this here. Write this here. That means you will be having a stack only like this. Now you are going to compare this one with this. This is having low priority when it is inside the stack. So simply place this operator here. After that we are having a operand. Operand is always added to the postfix expression. After that we are having a closing parenthesis. Whenever there is a closing parenthesis, whatever is existing in the stack are popped out and added to the postfix expression until a matching opening bracket occurs. When there is a matching opening bracket means we are having this one. This is already placed here. After that this has come. So these two become like this. So it will be ignored. So now the stack becomes empty. Right? So this is one example. Now I am going to take one more example. So let us suppose A into B plus C. Now see, we are having two operators, asterisk and addition. So when you are going from left to right, you got the asterisk first. But high priority is given, highest priority is given to the parenthesis. So first you have to think about this. So it should be converted first. But when you are doing it as per the algorithm, see what happens. Now whatever comes as an operand, this will be added to the postfix. So A is added to the postfix expression and you are going to take one opening parenthesis into the stack, and for that equivalent matching closing parenthesis added at the end of the expression. Now there is a asterisk symbol because in the stack there is only opening bracket. You are going to push that symbol here. After that we are having a opening bracket, so simply push it. For convenience I am writing here. So there is opening bracket, asterisk. After that there is a opening bracket. Whenever there is a opening bracket, don't think anything, just simply add it. After that there is B. B is an operand, so it will be added to the postfix expression. And then there is a plus symbol. So what is there in the stack top? It is a opening parenthesis. So whenever there is a opening parenthesis, don't worry, simply add this operator here. Okay, after that C. C is an operand, so add it here. After that there is a closing. So closing parenthesis, whenever it comes, simply pop this and add here. And after that remove this and this. Now we are having these two. There is one more closing parenthesis. So pop this, add it here. And then discard this and that also. So now the stack becomes empty. So whatever came here is the postfix expression, right? So let us suppose I am having one more expression slash b power c. So now see what is there in the postfix and what will be there in the stack. Initially push one opening bracket. For this, matching closing bracket will be added to the expression at the end. Now A is an operand. Operand is added to the postfix expression. Then division is stored here. And then B, so B is added here. After that power. So now you are comparing this power with the existing operator. So now see operator priority. Power is having high priority, division is having less priority than power operator. So on low priority you are going to store the high priority operator. It is completely allowed. So after that we are having C. C is an operand, add it here. Closing parenthesis. Whenever closing parenthesis comes, whatever is there until the first matching opening parenthesis, pop out all those things and add them one after the other in the LIFO order. So first power is added. So this is gone. Now we are having top division. So division is added. This is gone. Now I am having this. This is also removed and this is also removed. So this becomes empty. So when the stack becomes empty, whatever I got will be the answer. So now let us take a last example. So A power B by C. I am going to scan from left to right. So first, if I get the operand, what I am going to do is simply add to postfix. And in the stack, first I am going to put one opening parenthesis. For this matching closing parenthesis, I will add it here. Now next one is a caret symbol. So power symbol. So in this stack there is a opening bracket only. So without any discussion, we will store this operator here. After that there is an operand. Operand is always added to the postfix expression. After that there is a division. So which is having high priority? Always power is having the high priority. So on high priority you cannot store a low priority operator. Always remember top of the stack should always be high priority operator. Here it is having low priority than the existing operator. So what we have to do now is nothing but pop this one. So what will happen now? I'll have only this one because it is popped. Where I have to keep? None other place than postfix. Now I got this operator, so push that operator into here. This is added here into expression. Now the next operand is C. C is added to the postfix expression. After that a closing parenthesis. Whenever a closing parenthesis occurs, you have to pop all the elements in the stack until the first matching opening parenthesis. So this is popped and then added to the postfix expression. And it is a closing, so it is closed. So this is the way we can do the conversions. Hope you understand. Take care.